Hey gang, as you can see, I'm in the computer room. Since this is directly related to computer and posting, I figure I'll record this in the computer room. Besides, I've abandoned the living room. Anyway, in Project Backup Jack, I attached a 40 amp hour 12 volt battery to an apc.com backups EP 752 570 752. Figuring, hey, you put a bigger battery for it to draw on when the pixies coming out of the wall stop dancing, it'll last a long time. No. People talk about value engineering and cost engineering. Well, I think American Power Conversions did control freak, anal retentive engineering, keep anyone from to keep anyone from using a battery that they didn't buy from APC. Somewhere inside that battery backup power scrubber, there's a little itty bitty piece of silicon with a little itty bitty code saying, screw Poppy, don't let him use a 40 amp battery with this unit. Funny thing is, it charges it. Just charging it. I've took my VOM over there and put the probes on it. 13.42 volts. Yeah, it's charging it. It just will not recognize the amperage and use the lifespan it would avail. So I ordered a 750 watt inverter with the clamp-ons as well as the plug-in. Plug-in with those clamp-ons. You put them directly on the battery, you get the full rating. Whereas you plug into the dashboard and that cigarette lighter, all the circuitry and especially fuses, controls, the new cars, computers, go directly to the battery terminals. They should be color coded. If not, red is positive. Okay? Red is positive. Always remember that. Of course, you might get a Chinesium device that both clamps are silver. In which case, you're on your own, baby cakes. I can't help you. Anyway, I knew that an inverter will take 12 volt here and put out 120 on this side of the case, and 750 watt, that's more than enough to run a laptop for many hours. So the next power outage, we have the inverter here before it happens, be able to watch all kinds of movies and listen to all kinds of music while we freeze. At least we won't be unentertained while we freeze. I'm going to go for now before I break into a hate-filled rant about some commercial entity that I've mentioned before. But you know who you are, and I hate each and every one of you.